So how do you keep up with a constantly changing market? With fierce competition, new generations in the workplace, new technologies, new regulations, and so many more changes that keep your organization struggling. So how do you solve all the above? By going to constant meetings, using consultants, brainstorming that doesn't bring any results, running from one event to another, looking for the next best thing? That's just not enough anymore. We at InovaZone can save you all the hassle and the stress. We will lead you hand in hand to become a constructive innovation driven organization. Then you can take charge and lead your organization through the path to success and build a bright future. Contact us for a quick evaluation. Together, we'll engage your management and employees, assess the most significant challenges and opportunities, and start moving forward with your innovation program. We'll help you lead the charge into your organization by hands-on approach to take on your most significant challenges. InovaZone, with your help, we will solve your next challenge in less than a week. Contact us today.